Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Now select Allow in the pop-up and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the chosen one. In order to connect, you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to one of your devices. Select Unpair at the bottom. And now they're disconnected. You can connect to the same one by clicking on it and choosing Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!